So this is the latest, smallest and cheapest transmitter Jumpers has made so far. But it does have a nice soft plastic material on it, nice gimbals and really good features in the box. In the box you'll find a sticker pack, manual, USB-C cable, holder for two 18650 cells, and an external module adapter that you will need to fit. The remote feels quite comfortably in the hand. What I did for the whole gimbal is to increase the stick height, so it gives it a longer field travel. And the size, it's quite similar to the Beta FPV Lite Radio 2. It just adds the better screen. Compared to its bigger brother, it's quite compact and easy to pack and store. It has a small, bright, backlit LCD display with the same menu layout as the FrSky QX7 or Jumper TX12 remote, just the button layout is a bit different. It has full OpenText feature support, telemetry, voice and vibration warnings, but you will need to fit a micro SD card for the voice commands to work. It's also nice that it has the full JP4-in-1 module available with a removable 2.4 GHz antenna, USB-C charging and a trainer port. It only has 4 momentary switches available, full menu buttons and full trim button support. It also supports external module, but you will need to fit an external adapter if you plan to using that. For external adapters you can use Crossfire, Ghost, Express ELRS modules. It runs on only one 18650 cells, and the battery life is quite good if you use quality cells. Internally it looks quite okay, good enough soldering, but some did have problems with stuck buttons that Jumper quickly replaced. The gimbal wires both looked quite flimsy and thin. Here is the connector for the external module. This is the included RF module which I've removed temporarily. USB-C plug, antenna connector and trainer port. Speaker and vibration motor. The gimbals have adjustable tension, but the throttle one does not have ratcheting. I would really consider this transmitter with a better external module as it's quite cheap with full features and fits easily.